this is our new chicken. Her name is Ranny. It looks like our other chicken, Co. But no, it's the same species, but a newborn. So surprised and 11 years old. Sorry about that. See, look, Rainy. She doesn't like the camera. This is her first time on the camera, so she's not. So we're trying to keep it away from her. She really likes to go in there, but she does get attacked a lot by her other sisters. And yes, it's really adorable. We're not gonna bring out the other chicken, but we're gonna find the difference. Okay? So pause the video right now. This is what Rainy looks like. Okay? I'm gonna show you what Co looks like. And this is Co. See? You find the difference right here? A little bit more fat. I'm sorry, Co. I'm really sorry. And see right here. See? And that's them right there. See, this is our chicken. New chicken. Her name is Rainy. Belongs to my brother. And I'll tell you in the next video, I'll tell you why I haven't been uploading and what's been happening, because something happened. If you can notice the difference, the other scene, you might notice two things are missing. And if you notice them, please leave comments down below if you notice it. It does like to get picked up. It's not afraid of us. See, look. And it actually really likes to get picked up and drinks water from my hand. So, yeah. This is a new part of our family. We have 3 chickens. And, yeah. Hope you like this chicken. It likes to get picked up. It likes to get pet. So, yeah. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah. Beauty. Bye.